Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once done, you can go back. If you see retry option, hit retry, try to update it again and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. Paste it. Hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command. Paste it on the same window. Still stopping the Windows Update service. Once done, paste the second command. Copy the complete command. Paste it, hit the enter key. Just if you receive this error, just ignore it. Copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key, and then run the last command. In my case, I'm receiving the error, but you might not receive this error. Now, once done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste it, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. This process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631, and then click on search. Now let me change the language over here. Check your Windows version first, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on winver run command. So check the Windows version. Version in my case is 25H2. And then check your system type. You can go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Now click on KB5083631 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Next step is to close all third-party application. Make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard. Restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable it before you start installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Now the next step is to go to Windows settings, Windows update, advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. On this page, you will see media creation tool over here. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the update issue. You should be able to install it successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.